A railway track is made up of a number of rails joined to each other. These rails are usually made up of steel. Steel expands on heating and contracts on cooling. When the rails are joined to one another without leaving any space for expansion, the rails bend due to thermal expansion and the train goes off the railway track. To avoid this, the rails are not joined together firmly. Instead, each rail is connected to the other in such a way that a small gap is left in between them. These small gaps provide space for easy expansion of the rails, which happens during summer, as well as due to continuous friction between the train wheels and the rails. Hence, these small gaps prevent the rails from bending, preventing any kind of accidents.
Woo!